Hey, it's Corey Style. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be giving you all a review on the hair that I have installed by Beauty Forever Hair Company. And if you're interested, please stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Just a disclaimer, this hair was not sent to me. I purchased this hair on my own, so this will be my honest review on the hair. So the hair comes packaged in a box like this. On the front, just have the name of the hair company, and on the back are hair care tips and a few remarks about the hair. So basically just how to take care of the hair. And inside the box are your bundles, my favorite part. And all of the bundles come packaged in a little clear bag like this. And at the top they have the name, the body weight, that's what the BW is for, and the inch, which is 18 for this one. I did get 4 bundles. I got 18, 20, 22, and 24. Yes, I did get 4 bundles because I like my hair to be full, you know, and not really thin. Because I usually like curly hair, so when I'm getting straight, I want it to look very full. So, yes, all the hair come individually packed just like this. So I have 4. And inside the box you also get some eyelashes. I never wore them before, and this is my 3rd time purchasing hair from Beauty Forever. So yeah, I never wear these because they're like plastic to me. That's what they feel like. But from the 4 bundles that I have installed, I have this much hair left. And in order for all of the bundles to fit, I did have to double weft them just like this, like fold them and install just like that for all bundles to fit. Because 3 bundles would be enough if that's what you would like. And I did not get a closure. This is leave out. And on Beauty Forever website, you can get 3 or 4 bundle deals. And they also have 3 bundle deals with closures. And I also believe like 4 bundle deals with closures. And they also offer single bundles, but this was the 4 bundle deal. You can order the hair 3 different ways. Those are by their website, Amazon Prime, and AliExpress. Yes, they have 3 different ways you can purchase. I don't know why, but I think it's a good thing. For me, I ordered from Amazon Prime because I had free shipping, versus if I ordered from their website I would have to pay for shipping, and I did not want to do that. So yeah, so the hair, it's very soft. It is soft hair. And let's talk about tangles. The hair does tangle, and I feel like it's because the hair is longer, because the first 2 times I ordered the hair, I don't remember the hair tangling very much, but this is my first time going to over 20 inches, and I feel like the 24 inch is what get tangled in the back, right at the back, but only when it's like getting time for it to need a wash. When it's getting close to wash day, that's when it's pretty much tangled. And also, let's talk about shedding. When it comes to shedding, the hair does shed. Again, I still feel like it's a 24 inch that sheds, because the hair, like right now, I'm not getting any shedding right now. But again, when it get close to wash day, I feel like that's when the hair start acting up. Really, for me, like the more you wash your hair, the better it gets, honestly. That's how I feel about this hair. But I will always continue to buy this hair because I paid a little over $200 for 4 bundles, which isn't bad at all for the price. That's great. But again, I feel like one of my bundles was just bad. Maybe the 24 inch or even the 22. I just know that at least one of my bundles are bad because it sheds and tangles just a little bit. Not really, really bad, but just more than the usual. But like I said, again, I will continue to buy this hair. I like it. And I have curl this hair. And did the curls fall? Of course they fell, because I mean it's hair or whatever, like your real hair. The curls would drop. But what I did was I curled the hair tighter than usual because I knew they were going to drop a little. So when they dropped, it really didn't seem very loose. So that's what I did. My height, I think I'm 5'5", 5'5.5", something like that. 5'6", I don't know. But I just know I'm between 5'5" and 5'6". So the hair comes down. See? It comes down. It comes down to like almost at my waist, or if not at my waist when I'm standing. I'm trying to think about when I'm standing because I'm not about to stand up right now. But yeah, again, it's 24 inches. And yeah, the hair blends very well with my real hair. So that's another reason why I like this hair. It blends very well with my hair. It blends very well. And the texture is Brazilian. I think they have Indian, Malaysian. I'm really not sure. I just know that I always get Brazilian because I know that it blends in with my hair. A lot of people think that length is what help your hair blend easier or better. It's really about the origin of the hair, because you have Malaysian, Indian, Peruvian, Brazilian. It's all about the texture, the origin of the hair. So yeah, that pretty much concludes everything about this hair. Again, this is my third time purchasing from Beauty Forever. Again, this hair was not sent to me, and yeah, I like the hair. And also the second time I purchased the hair, I kept that hair, I believe it was, if not a year, almost a year, like very close to a year. And I believe I got like 3 to 4 installs. And yeah, it's pretty good hair for the price. You can't beat the price. So again, they also have an Instagram page, and you can go to their Instagram and look at where the website, AliExpress, and Amazon, they have it. What is the thing called? It's not your bio, you know, your highlights. They have it in their highlights, and you can click and go to the actual website in Amazon and AliExpress, and it'll take you right to their hair. So yeah, they have an Instagram page. I believe it's beauty_forever_hair, something like that. You'll find it. But yeah, that concludes the video. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and I'll put the information down below in the description box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.